Hi there, and welcome to this flash talk about using pop culture as a launchpad to promote scientific research. My name is Mac. I'm the social media and community manager at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and I'd like to share a quick story about a cheeky piece of social media content our team created for National Periodic Table Day and what it tells us about understanding your audience. So we were tasked with coming up with a piece of social content for National Periodic Table Day that would help raise awareness about the incredible chemistry research that's underway here at PNNL. Our general approach to social media boils down to simply using something familiar to build a bridge to something unfamiliar. Since few people are familiar with National Periodic Table Day, we felt it wasn't a strong enough hook on its own, and we decided to tie our message to a concept with mass appeal. That led us to the question, where in popular culture can we find a link to the periodic table and chemistry? Didn't take long to zero in on Breaking Bad, one of the most popular and memeable shows in recent years. As you may be shocked to learn, a whole lot of Breaking Bad's content is not safe for work, so in the interest of keeping our jobs, we opted to focus on the intro sequence, which features a cleverly animated periodic table dissolving into the show's title. Our incredibly talented animator, Sarah Levine, created a version that instead dissolved into a simple, Happy National Periodic Table Day message with PNNL branding. So we now had an asset to catch people's attention, but how can we convert that curiosity into a deeper understanding of PNNL's research? On each platform where we shared the video, we continued the conversation with replies and comments linking to our most recent chemistry-related stories in a wide number of research areas, from building better batteries to isolating magnesium in seawater. Our audience ate it up, with these posts outperforming our average social media content by a factor of 400%. As we'd hoped, it was well received, it was shared widely, and it reminded us that our audience does have an appetite for content from us that isn't strictly business. It also reinforced for our team that if we're trying to promote ourselves, we need to persuade our audience to be interested in us. By first connecting with your audience on a common, shared interest, they're going to be much more likely to engage with whatever content you really want them to consume, even if it's a secondary message. So if I can leave you with 3 steps for successfully leveraging pop culture to promote science via social media, it would be these. First, build a bridge. Use something familiar as a launch pad to something related but unfamiliar. Keep it simple. Your audience has a ruthlessly limited attention span, so get to the point quickly. And remember that science can be secondary. While it may seem counterintuitive, you might be better off catching people's attention with something entertaining, inspiring, offbeat, or curiosity building before guiding your audience into the unknown. Thanks for joining my talk. See you around.